What is up, YouTube? So, uh, I'm betting that you probably could use some extra money, right? I know that I could use some extra money. We all could use extra money, and this is really cool. This what I have to tell you about today is called Money for Everyone, and I have probably the best bonus you're ever going to see for Money for Everyone. It just won Deal of the Day on Warrior Plus. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of Money for Everyone Pro. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull no successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill. Feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as well. The pizza I made yesterday, it's rock hard. It's sitting around because I couldn't finish it all. And now I had to throw it in the garbage because it's rock hard. That's a shame. Pizza is good. I like pizza. Yeah, I basically, because I am currently living in New York by myself. My fiance is still overseas. We're waiting for a visa to come through. So I'm kind of living like a bachelor and eating a lot of junk food like pizza, which I probably shouldn't be doing, but there you go. I am. Anyway, but seriously, if my fiance is watching this, I apologize. I know I should eat healthier food. I promise I will once you're here. Okay, but anyway, seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products and the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, really? You're rubbing it in, okay? Seriously. I'm stuck here all alone, okay? I'm waiting for the Department of Homeland Security to approve the visa for my fiance, and you're making it even worse. Thanks a lot. Seriously, the guy has no tact. Anyway, but seriously, the way things work here. If I like the product, I will give a tip in my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, I love Liz. She's a sweetheart. I can't get angry at her. She says the same thing every time also. You'd think I would, but she's a fellow New Yorker. Who can get angry at a fellow New Yorker? My other cat came by to say hello. She's curious what all the fuss is about with Money for Everyone. She wants money for her as well because she wants some of the gourmet tuna fish and, the gourmet cat food and stuff. But anyhow, okay, but seriously, you are new. Make sure you smash that subscribe button to the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. To frankly subscribe, well, it doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking at the sales page right now for Money for Everyone Pro. This is a new package from my friends Tom and Vic. And basically, you're going to get everything done for you. So it's really, really cool. It's all automated for you. You're going to be able to do everything. I do want to show you, first I want to tell you about my custom bonus. So my custom bonus is very, very simple. I'm going to give you access to 20 different Make Money Online courses, okay? Literally, these are worth thousands upon thousands of dollars. I've collected them over the years, and I paid a lot of money for them. You're getting access to 20 different courses with this package, and nobody's going to give that to you, but I'm going to do that for you. 20 different courses. And by the way, I do want to show you there's a way to actually save some money, I think. Let's go ahead and refresh the page real quick. My cat is meowing in the background. She doesn't like the idea that I'm going to tell you about this. Let's see. Yep. So basically what you do is try to exit, and it says you qualify for a $10 discount, and you can click here and you're going to get a $10 discount off of it. So $6.93. You really can't go wrong when I'm giving you 20 different courses for, and you're paying $6.93. That's completely bonkers. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the members area real quick over here. You can see here, everything is done for you. They tell you exactly how to do it. Okay, and they're going to give you The software that you need in order for it to work is literally all done for you. Just plug and play basically and start doing it. You do obviously have to run it. You have to do it. And you can't just leave it alone. But once you do it, it does start running right away, and you're going to be able to make money. And again, you're getting 20 other courses from me for your $6.93. So that's truly insane. Go ahead and grab this one. This one is good. You're absolutely going to love it.
You rock!
And I probably should have said that after that guy just spoke, right? Anyway, but seriously, grab this one. This one is good. It really is good. You're absolutely going to love this one. And yeah, seriously, you rock. Okay.